What's up? So in this video, I want to show you the 3 trading systems that we're using here at QuantFlo on live capital to generate consistently profitable returns month after month. So over the past couple years, we've tested hundreds and hundreds of different trading bots and strategies, and we have condensed everything that we have tested into just 3 strategies that we're actually using right now, and we deploy real capital in live accounts into these 3 strategies. So we actually have more than 3 profitable strategies, but we only use these 3 because these are the 3 most profitable ones. All right, so we're going to jump into the computer here, and I'm going to show you the 3 strategies one by one and their backtest results. Let's go. All right, so here is our first profitable strategy that we use. So this one is called the breach flow, as you can see right here. And so all of these examples that I'm going to show you are assuming that you started with a $50,000 account, so you can trade this position sizing. All right, so as you can see here, this is the farthest back that MBT goes back. It's a micro Bitcoin futures contract. So as you can see here, we have January 1st, 2021 to March 13, 2026. So with a $50,000 account, you would have made a profit of $220,924. So that's a pretty big profit on a $50,000 account. That's about like 4x or more your money. And the maximum historical drawdown in all of that time period was 13,783. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, here are all the stats. This strategy has a lower profitable trade percentage because when it wins 3 or 4x the risk. As you can see, profit factor 1.289, but over time it adds up. And low drawdown, as you can see. All right, so let's move on to our next strategy that we use. Okay, let's go back here. This one is going to be based on MNQ, so micro NASDAQ futures. Okay, but this one allows us to go back to January 1st, 2020 to March 13, 2026. So once again, this is assuming you started with a $50,000 trading account. So this one you would have made some more. You would have made $298,000 in profit. So that means total you would have now in your account the $50,000 that you started with plus the profit. So you would have $300 and almost $50,000 profit. And the maximum historical drawdown that your account would have ever gone down in that whole entire period was 14,226. So also maintaining a very nice low drawdown for the amount of money that it is making every year. Okay, this system is called the shift flow, and this is our second system. This one does take more trades. As you can see, total trades here, it's going to be a lot more than the previous one that I just showed you. This one has a higher chance of winning, 33.88%. It also does win more when it wins. It usually gets about 3x risk to reward per trade, and as you can see, here's the profit factor. And so there we go. There we have the shift flow. Now I'm going to show you our most profitable trading strategy, which all 3 of them are profitable. We use all 3 to diversify, but if I had to choose my favorite one, it is this one, and this is the one that we actually deploy a little bit more capital to this one. And this one is called break flow. Once again, this also trades the micro NASDAQ futures, MNQ. So here we can go back once again to January 1st, 2020 till March 13, 2026. And let's go ahead and check the results here on this trading strategy. Okay, so as you can see here, with this strategy, also if you would have started with $50,000, you would have made $360,000. So that means that you would have now in your account balance $410,000, or minus a few for the actual fees that your trading broker charges. But yeah, so the total profit $360,000. And then the maximum equity drawdown in all of that period, once again, around 14,000, a little bit closer to 15,000. But as you can see, also low number of trades, only 1,973 trades in 6 years. Profitable trades, 36%. Profit factor, 1.338. And here's the equity growth curve. Looks very nice in my opinion. So yeah, there you have it. Those are our current 3 top performing automated trading systems here at QuantFlo. And if you want to see exactly how my automated trading system works, I created a free report called the QuantFlo Trading Blueprint, and it explains the exact framework that I use to build and manage these systems. And the link is down in the description if you want to take a look. All right, everyone, so there you have it. Those are our 3 trading systems. That's all for this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or any feedback. We'd love to hear from our audience, as our mission here at QuantFlo is to help traders become consistently profitable by automating their trades. So that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.